Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do the final flip through of the Ephemera Storage Folio. Let's get into it. So the paper collection that I used for this is from Capital Chic Designs. It was available at Michael's. I think it's no longer available. You may be able to find parts of the collection at michaels.com on clearance. The last time I checked, I saw that they had the 6x6 paper pads, but this is from the 12x12. The base is craft cardstock from Michaels. It's basically a cross between a folio, junk journal, handmade book, storage folio. So I used the papers on the outside as mats. I used some seam binding that I dyed, and you can find all the steps to this in videos and a playlist that I will link in the description box below. If you want to make your own, I do give information on how to make it, measurements and everything. So again, hand dyed seam binding, and then it opens like this. And you have vellum pockets throughout the folio. This is a loaded folio. I am gifting this to someone, so all the pockets are filled with die cuts and stickers and other little goodies, journaling cards, some of everything. So, and some of the stickers are also from the Capital Chic Designs collection. These die cuts are actually from my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. And then this opens again, and you have pockets where you can store whatever you want. I have put an empty vellum pocket in here and a couple of Project Life or journaling cards. I don't think they're all Project Life cards. Some of them are. Then I have in this pocket another card. Along with this little folder, you have pockets in here as well. So you can store things in here. You can keep it in here. You can take it out, put it in a traveler's notebook, whatever you like. So that just slides right. Let's see, I'll put this in the back. It slides in there like that. Then we have the pages. So we have 6 pages, and this is from, these pages were made with the papers from the collection. The papers were single-sided, so I glued 2 pieces of the cardstock. It's a lightweight cardstock together to make these pages. And of course I did the vellum pockets. The recipient can add more pockets if they choose to. I didn't want to overdo it and overstuff it. So, and then you got stickers in the pockets. There's 3 signatures, which each signature is one of the cardstocks, the double-sided cardstocks, the DIY double-sided cardstocks. Then on the inside, I didn't put pockets here either. The recipient can add pockets if they want. Then on the inside of this one is pockets, and I tried to keep the ephemera, die cut, stickers that I stuffed kind of grouped together. So I would say this is the planner girl section. This is the more adult doll section, if you will. Then here is a Christmas section. Since Christmas is right around the corner, I added some things for that. And then back here, another grown-up, sassy little section. It's not a lot going on there. And then here again, grown-up, sassy look. Okay, then this opens up, and we have a Dollar Tree notebook. There's a video showing how I did this that is covered with papers from the collection, and also has some of the Project Life cards or journaling cards tucked into the pockets. So this is how that turned out. Then I also just have some, these are Project Life cards, journaling cards. They are lined vertical on this side and horizontal on this side, so they can be used any way you want. So, and I stuck a couple of those in here, or a few of those, just for writing. Then this last pocket, the reason for this whole folio is in this last pocket. It's these grass stickers. I promised someone that I would be sending them some grass stickers, but I didn't want to just send stickers. I wanted to put them in something special, and then this project just grew and grew and grew to what you see here. So these are the grass stickers that are in the vellum pocket. I do have a video showing how to make this pocket. And this is another journaling card. Slide that down in there like that. So this folds in. This folds in. You've got 6 pages here. And then it closes like this. This is the back. And on the middle signature, I did leave the stitching untied. I tied it in the other signatures, as you can see here. I left this untied, and I had made some bead dangles. So I put those dangles on, and on the very ends, I made my own little charm endings. I don't know what you call these type of jewelry things, but I made these with a heavyweight, I think it's 110-pound cardstock. And I used my little heart punch to punch those out. And that is how that turned out. You can see there. And so they just hang right outside. If the recipient doesn't want these on here, the bead dangles can easily be taken off. They're just knotted on the strings, and then you can tie the strings on the inside. So that is it. Again, that's the back. This is what it looks like from the top, the side, and every which way. Okay, so that's it. I'm anxious to get this off in the mail. I hope you enjoyed this series. For more series like this, be sure to subscribe to my other channel, Journal Life's Journey. This is the last of these type projects that I'll be doing over here. All of the bookmaking, journal making, handmade journal type videos will be over at Journal Life's Journey. So I hope you enjoyed this project share video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Thank you.